studying in 1 year diploma course Health Safety Environmental Management in Karad Institute of Fire and Safety, an authorized training center of BSS. Here I am applying for World Skill Career Development Certificate as an HSC officer. Now I am talking about the most crucial hazard, fire. Fire is the process of rapid oxidation at the high temperature. It produces light, heat and radiation. Fire spreads through radiation and direct fire. Fire needs to the most common things needed to fire to ignite and burn are fuel, oxygen and heat. Heat refers to sparks. Fuel refers to the gases or liquids. Oxygen is present in the atmosphere. Now I am talking about fire extinguisher and types of fires. There are five types of fire, and they are Class A fire, Class B fire, Class C fire, Class D fire, and Class A fire. Class A fire refers to the ordinary combustible materials. They are paper or wood. Class B fire, liquid fires, and they are such as petroleum or any liquid flammables. Class C fires, electrical fire, and Class D fire is any metal fire such as aluminium and titanium. Class K fire is known as kitchen fire, like animal fat and cooking oil. Class A fire can be extinguished using CO2. Class B fire can be extinguished using foam. Class C can be extinguished by CO2 extinguishers. Class D fires can be extinguished using dry chemical extinguishers, and Class K can be extinguished by using wet agent extinguishers. Now we have a checklist of extinguishers, and we have to look for damages and cracks in the extinguisher. We have a DCP extinguisher over here. It has gauge, pin, hoses, and its identification. Here in checklist we can see identification number, and it's here identification number. Extinguisher sign and labels. It has different color codes, such as foam has yellow, powder has blue. Any damages in clamps and in its body, safe record and unplug it. We have to ensure it's locked, not open. This seal has to be locked all the time before the use. The hose must be checked thoroughly. It may have any cracks over here, or it might be blocked inside. We have to check before that. And damages in the handle and grip bars. And we have a gauge. It is discharged now. It must be in green to use at the time of fire. The process of using a fire extinguisher is known as pass. That refers to pull the pin. That is over here. Pull the pin. Squeeze. P refers to pull the pin. A refers to aim the base of the fire. S refers to squeeze the handle. S refers to squeeze side by side. Fire extinguishers are the most easiest and portable devices used to extinguish fires, and there are other devices to make alert people at the time of fire, and they are fire alarms, fire sirens, and other things. They just alert people surround the area, but these things can extinguish the fire.